Welcome to the AbundaCulture channel. The Bible provides pathways to abundance. God is pleased when we succeed abundantly and share generously. AbundaCulture uses the family homestead as a platform to provide 5 basic needs: affordable housing, renewable energy, clean water, healthy food, and safe sanitation. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check out our AbundaCulture.org website and download our free training manual. Hello. Today I'd like to talk to you about the AbundaCulture Manual. We talk about the manual in almost every presentation that we do. It's the basis of our AbundaCulture program. Let me tell you how it came about. Since 2001, I've worked for Equip International. My job was to travel through the poorest parts of the world and to study what caused poverty and what we might be able to do to alleviate terrible poverty. I came up with 5 different things that seem to be at the core of basic living. They are these: 1, energy; 2, shelter; 3, clean water; 4, decent food; and 5, good sanitation. If a person could provide those things for his family, his life could be what I think God intended for it to be. God intended for us to live with abundance, and He wanted us to be joyful. He wanted us to have a good, happy life. So the AbundaCulture Manual is based on biblical principles. I think the most important pages are found at the beginning. About the first 18 pages give the biblical foundation for AbundaCulture. We tried to make it as simple, as clear, as inexpensive, and as elegant as we could. The solutions that you find there are achievable to anybody. You can use basic building materials that you have no matter where you live. We would like to encourage you once again, download the manual. It's absolutely free. It's available on the internet, and we're going to put up the instructions one more time. We think that this manual could change your life, and we would really like you to have it. The instructions are coming up. Have a great day. Keep your eyes on the skies.
La la la, la la la. For we're all in a master plan. Though the things we do are just grains of sand, when these things are touched by the master's hand, then our lives turn into mountains.